Today we're taking a look at Seeing the Supernatural by Jennifer Eivaz, a book that dives deep into the concept of spiritual discernment. One of the key takeaways from this book is how it helps readers better understand the spiritual realm, offering tools to discern and respond to what's happening around them spiritually. The author, Jennifer Eivaz, does a great job of balancing biblical references with practical advice, making the book both informative and applicable. If you're someone who's interested in spiritual growth or feels curious about spiritual discernment, this book could be a good resource. We like how accessible the writing is. It doesn't feel too academic, yet it provides depth, which makes it easy to follow along. Another aspect we appreciate is that it includes personal stories and real-life examples, helping readers relate to the topics discussed. It's also worth noting that while this book offers valuable insights, it's geared towards readers who already have some understanding of faith and spirituality. Whether you're new to the idea of spiritual discernment or want to deepen your understanding, Seeing the Supernatural offers a solid introduction and practical guidance. So if you're looking for a faith-based book that explores the unseen world with clarity and purpose, definitely give this product some consideration.